Okay class, we have our last example here, but this one we will combine and form the inequalities for A, for region A, region B, region C, region D, and region E. Now, you can see here that it means that for region A, there are 3 lines that form region A. This vertical here, this line here, it's going there, and this line here going there. So we have 3 lines which compose this region A, 1, 2, and 3. And we are going to find the inequality for this line, and for that line. For region B, it is enclosed in this line, in this line also, and in this vertical line. So 1, 2, 3 lines for region B. For region C, we have also 3 lines. This, that, and this one. So we have 1, 2, and 3. For letter D, we have this line, we have this line, and we have that line. See that one? We have still 1 line there. And for letter A, we have only 2. 1 and 2 only. This one is not included. So we have for letter A, we have only this one. This line and this line. Okay. Now, look at the lines and you will observe that they are all visible lines. Therefore, in our inequalities here, we must have an equality symbol also together with the less than or equal. Okay, we have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So we have those inequalities because they are all visible lines. Okay, let's look for A. Now let's have line L. Where's line L? Okay, line L is there. So for line L, it is slanting. Then we can write here the Y because that is the slope-intercept form. We have that one here. And is it greater than or equal to or less than or equal to? When we put the line here, where is the true area? The true area should be going down because the A is there. It should be going down. So going down means it is less than or equal to. So we have the sign for that. Now we use our knowledge of slope-intercept form. First, where is the intersection of this line L on the y-axis? This one is the y-axis. It's on the 4. What is 4? It's positive. So it's positive right here. Positive 4 is the C. Okay. And then the slope, don't forget that we have an x here. And this numerical coefficient is the slope. So where's the slope of that L? We start from 4, we see this one, and we see this one, the negative 3 here. It is slanting to the right, meaning this line has a positive slope. So no problem with that one. So let us have 4. We go down 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 negative. I will not write anymore the negative because the other one will also be negative. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative. And because we are going to the left, it will be negative also. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3. So I will not put anymore the negative and negative because negative over negative is also positive. So it's better to write that one in positive form. So we have the first inequality there, that line there, all the way there. Now let's find the M, the inequality for M, so that now we have the true region for A. So the M is here, that line. This line is the M. So that one is slanting, so we can just write like that. Now this one is like that, and A is there, it's going up. If it's going up, it means it's greater. It should be greater. Don't forget the equals. And then let's find the y-intercept. The y-intercept of this line is, with the y, is on the -3. So we put here -3. Then we put an x here because we are going to put here the slope. So we are going to find the slope. What do you think will be the slope? It is slanting to the left. So we're going to think that this a negative slope. Okay. So we go up. We start here and go there. So you have here 1 and 2 and 3. So you write here 3. Okay, 3. And then you are here. Then go to the left 1 and 2. So you have -2. This one is negative. But I prefer to write that one in between here. Or just put here -3 if you want. It's correct to put the negative in between or down, but should be only one negative. So we have y is greater than or equal to -3/2x minus 3, and that is for that inequality there for m. How about the n? N, let's put here a bit below. N, oh right, that is the vertical line. So that is vertical. Don't put yet the y or x because we don't know yet. Where are we finding where can we find this vertical line? On the x, because this one, we cannot have that one, the y. So that is x, therefore this one is an x. It's, the 8 is on the right, therefore that is greater than or equal to. And what is that number? It is 1. So that one is the inequality. The 3 inequalities to find, so that the region A will be true. Okay, number 2. Let's find the inequalities that will form region B. Where is region B? Oh, the triangle here. The triangle area. Okay, to form B, true value of this 3 inequalities will be here. Region B. So let's have the L. Where is the L? L is here. So L, the B is here. Is the true area going down or going up? It is going down. Therefore, we know that this one is like this, less than. Then we put the y here now because that one is slanting. Okay, we find the intercept of this line on the y-axis. It's on the 4 here. It's 4 positive. So a positive. Can you erase this one, number 3? Right, positive 3 here. Just positive 3. No, it's positive. Where are we? Well, L. Where's the L here? L is here. No, it's the 4 one. The 4. My gosh. It's 4. So L, this one is the line. So 1, 2, 3. That's the 4 there. So that is the 4. Put the x here. And then put here the slope. So this one is the 4, and here is on the 3, 4 and the 3. So this one is going to the right. It means that the slope is positive. So what's the slope of that one? It's the same as this L. Okay, they are the same. What is only the difference is that this one can be like this or like that, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So we just put this one, the L, it's the same. So 4/3x, done. Because it's going down. That's the equation. We just copy the equation. For m, where is the m? This one is the m. To get the b, we need something that should go up. If that's going up, therefore, for m here, should be greater or equal there. Because that is slanting, you can put the y here. Don't worry about the x. And then for m, we just copy the m. Where is the m? This one. Because this one will not change. The slope and the y-intercept will not change. We just copy. So it's easier now. We just determine the sign here. 3 to x minus 3. About the n, alright, the n, Now letter N, LMN. Number 3, N is this one, X1. So we put the X and the 1 there. Okay, the same. But this one, to get to the left of the vertical, what is that one to the left? It is getting lesser and lesser. So we have less than or equal to 1 because it's less. It's true values here. It's less. So we have for region B, we have this L, M, and N. Okay, I'm going to erase number 1 and number 2, and let us have region C. Okay, for region C, it's number 3, so you will not be confused. Number 3 is region C. For region C, again we have the L. Why did it erase that? The M and the N. Alright, so this one is Y, this one is Y, and this one is always X. So we have the same. Now let's find the sign here for L. Where's the C? Here. So here, and there. So the L, what should be the sign? Is it going down or going up? It is going down. So to meet the C here, it's going down, that L. It means it's less than or equal to. Now we have erased number 1, 2, and 3. So we cannot copy anymore the inequalities. So that's fine. L. So L, that one is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Negative, negative, positive. So it is 4 over 3x, and then we have intersection 4. The 4 there. Okay, that's for L. For M, the same thing. Where's the M? Here is the M. To get the C, it should be moving here. So the values must be less than. So we put the less than here. And what is the equation again of this one? It's negative. Okay, we put the negative. Why do we know it's negative? Because it's slanting to the left. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we have 3 over 2x. Intersects at what? Negative 3. So we have negative 3. Okay. For the vertical, here, not there, here, to get to this C here, it must be less than. Less than or equal to, of course, what is that one? 1. So we have 1. So these are the inequalities to find, for region C. If you want the region C to be the true values for this 1, 2, 3 inequalities. Alright, letter D, number 4. I will not erase anymore that one. It's very hard again to get the equation, slope-intercept form equation here. So for letter D, we start again with the letter L here. For letter L, the same thing here. I'll just copy this one, copy the 4 over 3x and plus 4. And we'll just find this one, the sign here. For letter D, so this letter D, we need this one to go up, to hit that D there for this one. So it should be greater to move the olive is to move it up. So we have that one. Okay. For M, again the same thing. For M is like this. Leave that sign there. Copy the negative 3 over 2x minus 3. They are the same, except this one. So where's the M? M here. How will you get the D? Where should be? Going down or going up? Greater or less than? It should be greater because the D is there. Up. So we need to put here like greater than or equal to. How about the N? N for here, for D is copy. X again, and then you have the 1. Okay. Now, for here, the D is there. There. You have here. Here is to the left of that line, meaning it's less than or equal to 1. Okay, let's have the last one, letter E. So for letter E, I'm going to erase this one. Anyway, we have the equations here, so we can find and easily put it here. number 5. So for number 5, it's for region E. And for region E, we have only 2. We have the line L and the line M. Letter N, no. We don't put that one anymore because we are only concerned which of these 3 inequalities will be the fence, something like the perimeter of our region. So here, for L, we copy Y, just copy 4 over 3 x plus 4. And then, where is that L? Here. And where is E? There, up. So, it's going up. So, we put here greater than or equal. Okay. And then letter M. So, letter M. Line M is here. So, if that line M is here, E is here, therefore, what's the sign? By the way, I'm just going to copy first. Y, so I can show you that we need only the sign here. It's negative 3 over 2x minus 3. So, sign here is the letter M. It should be going down. So, it should be less, not greater than. And that's it. Okay, thank you, class, for watching.